We are going to study about the where clause. Basically, the where clause actually used to filter out the records and extract only those records that fulfill specific conditions. So here you can see a syntax. Select columns name and from a particular uh, data set, and we need to apply some conditions through where clause. So for any particular requirement in the uh, analyzation, so we can use this where clause and apply the different logical operators and comparison operators to utilize this where clause. So moving towards the session window and apply some queries there. So now in this video we studied about the where command and what are the main usage of this where command. So just write wher where. Basically where tells about the condition. If we select the whole data through select and from, but we want some uniqueness in the selection, and we want some different conditions apply, so we can actually apply those conditions through where command. For example, if we want to provide the condition in which we want this only furniture category, not this office supply and technology. We just want this furniture category, and this furniture category in front of all the data actually appears. So we can actually provide like we write actually this category column category. Here is the option category, but we want this furniture category only. So we write in apply bracket inverted commas and write this furniture and just close this bracket. So we just execute this query, and here you can say you can actually see that the category only contain this furniture option, and there is no other category actually lied. So basically this is the concept of where, and we actually play a lot of around this command, like if we want the sub query only chair, so we can actually execute as well by applying or and AND, like if we use this AND command, so we just write a and the and provide this option, like if we just select on it what the pair, this is the last actually query, but we want some uniqueness in this query as well. So we are going to provide the different conditions, like if we want to apply condition on product name, so we just write product name, product name may appear on it, and apply the conditions like what if we want to check that in front of this furniture category, that product name actually how many times actually this one that product name actually lied. So we just provide this name in this commas and just close in inverted comma and bracket apply. So basically this is the basically we want that in front of this furniture how many times this Bush Somerset collection book case appear. So this is the revision and actually this where and command. So if we want to apply the or command in front of these two conditions, so let's see what will happen. Just delete this and input the or command, and let's check what happened. So now the condition actually applied on a first come first uh, time basis, like the condition of this category in furniture applied here, and the second conditions, that's product in this required data actually not appear. Like here you can see the multiple uh, options of product name appears, so it means that the or command will not going to provide the both condition at the same time, but provide the first condition in before this or command, like this is the category in furniture command actually executed. So if you want to execute both commands, so you need to provide this uh, n option, and just select the whole query and execute it. Now here you can check at how many times a single product name actually appear, like Bush Somerset collection bookcase appear only one time in front of this furniture category. So what if we check other thing, like how many times in front of these furniture, how many times chairs appear, for example. So we need to provide this column name, subcategory, and 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 write the chairs, for example, and just close this bracket. So it tells about how many times chair appears in front of furniture, but it is not possible for us to count uh, individually. So we can actually apply this count command here, count aggregate function actually here, and just close this bracket, and let's check what happened. 87 times. It means that 87 times a chair appear in front of furniture. It means that there are 87 chair in furniture category. So basically this is the very interesting actually analytics we can actually play around, and hope you all understand what is the basic tactic of this conditions and or command, and what are the powerful and what are the strength of these commands as well. So hope you like this video, and hope you apply all those queries in your uh, practice session as well. So looking forward for the next video. Thank you.